So when you want to edit things in Maya, you right click on the object and select sub-object mode, select an element and transform it as you see fit with WER. To change quickly, you can drag fast with the mouse in the direction of the button and it will instantly change. This is how usually people do it. I use shortcuts, but I set up custom for mine. In Max, if you want to edit something, you click on it, go here up to modifiers. You have to add a modifier called edit poly, and now the object is editable as geometry goes. And to switch between sub-object modes, you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transforming is the same as in Maya with WER. So you just move, rotate, scale any element you want. Max also has two extra features called border and element. Border just selects the open edge, a hole, and element selects an entire body of geometry. So it's like double clicking in face mode. In Blender, if you want to go into what's called edit mode, you press tab and it instantly goes in. Or in 3.6, if you hold down tab, sub-object mode or edit mode will show up and you can drag and choose like in Maya if you're used to that. You can deactivate this here or tap for File menu. The only difference in Blender is that when you want to transform objects, you either use these tools on the left, which I've shown you before, or you can press G for grab, S to scale, and R to rotate. You can constrain axes by pressing the buttons for the axes themselves as in X, Y, and Z, or Shift X, Y, and Z to choose the opposites.